Saratoga 8-passenger limousine with the original. The North Carolina, I don't know how far he travels, but so you gotta give him a. There he is. So yeah, man, that's hope. That's a dream car right there. It took a lot of work, so I felt it was better for me. Body work done around here, but he gonna cut it and I'm gonna recoat it. And we're gonna be taking that out. That's the bucket for the spare tire. What happens is, let me go around here to the other side. Hood. Now this is cool because good. The condition of that chrome. This is the outside chrome that goes around the windows, and look at that. And a couple of more.